So all we did is took this line, wrapped it around this metal tubing of the drill, and just let it rip. And once we're done with this, we'll go ahead and cut our line into pieces, and so nobody or nothing or no animals gets tangled up in it in the landfill. The mess behind me is my paracord station for my stringers. I call it my crafting corner, which is destroyed right now. But I suppose you'll have that. It's a lot easier to do it this way with the drill than it is with doing it by hand.
That's a difference of opinion.
A difference of opinion?
I could have had all that line stripped before you had it stripped with that. But that is, I mean, if you don't want to sit there and pull 300 yards of line off your spool.
You know, it'd be cool if we could do this way with putting it on there too. Hey, it's a possibility.
Yeah, you can. I'm sure you could. But that is nice if you don't want to sit there and, like I said, pull your balls off. You could use a drill like this. It is more convenient.
Your metaphors are funny. Feels like we're about there, huh?
Almost. That's about another 50 yards to go.
Oh, that's gonna be nothing.
You're at 2 minutes. Just listen.
Huh?
2 minutes. Getting there. As you see, that's the line coming off the spool. Nice and slow. We're almost there. She's only got a couple of wraps left on there. And there she is. She's at the end. Now we just grab it, pop it off, and there it is.
For more than just building shit.
We're getting this hooked off here.
So DJ's gonna take that off for me. Because God knows I'm not gonna be able to.
Yeah, maybe not.
It's coming.
No, it's not coming off there.
I'll just take a knife and
Yeah.
cut it off.
Or we could just keep adding to it every time we got to change line.
Yeah, that's a
And
good
then
idea.
you cut it all at one point.
That'll just roll the whole damn thing out because I can get another piece.
That's actually my cleaning rod.
Oh, so yeah, it has to be taken off there.
But yeah, I just take the razor knife.
You want to do that over the garbage can?
Yeah,
Excuse the lovely view. Well, at least this way it's getting cut. Into many little pieces.
yeah, it's just nothing's gonna get tangled in that.
No.
There you go.
There we have it.